Welcome back to the shop, or should I say my outdoor wood pile. Hey, today I'm gonna throw out a video on, you guessed it, another chainsaw. It's a McCulloch Mini Mac 35. I've got some work I gotta do in the yard, some limbing. This is a perfect saw for that. Small, lightweight, tons of power. These Mini Mac 35s, if you've never ran them, some people, well, most people either hate them or they love them. I love them. They got, like I said, a ton of power. These things were made between 73 and 77. They are just shy of 33 cc's. I think they're like 32 and change, but pretty close to 33 cc's. When you combine that with their weight, it's a powerhouse, to be honest with you, and these things sound awesome. The muffler, I'll show you the muffler on the other side. That's the muffler. It's basically just a stack muffler. So, I mean, the things sound awesome. This is the only negative of this saw. This is like a automatic chain sharpener, and it's missing the top plate cover that goes on there. So what happens is you can see the chain down in there. All the chips and all the bar oil and everything come flying out and get on the muffler, and it's a big smoke show. So that's the only negative. I got to get that thing fixed. But the saw itself, I don't think has a whole lot of hours on it. So just another one of my McCullochs that I absolutely love. Small little bar. I think this is a 14-inch bar, and it's got one of those little funky chains on it that I have yet to change out. You basically file it, if I can get it to focus, file it from the top. You can see that. See how that's filed on the top right there? And it's a safety chain. Like I said, I need to get a new chain for this, but money's tight right now. You know, and I got tons of projects and I got a lot going on. So, you know what? You do what you can when you can. I'll go over some of the features for you real quick. This is your choke right here. Just move that lever down. Then you've got your high, low jet and idle adjustments right next to that. Your ignition switch right in the middle, right by your trigger. It also has a manual oiler, which is this rod right here. That rod goes back around the front side of the handle and then comes over to this plunger over here on this side, right here. So you hit that, and it's a pretty cool little feature, actually. I wish more saws had it. Let's see, chain brake. And you got your gas and your oil labeled on the front. I just moved the chain brake out of the way when I need to take care of that. I'm gonna start this thing up for you, let it idle, and then we'll get it over the tree that I need to take care of. But like I said, awesome little saws, I think. People, like I said, either love them or hate them. I absolutely love them. I have 3 of them. Various different configurations, different names. But for what they are, great little saws. Cold-blooded today. So that is the McCulloch Mini Mac 35. Solid little lemon chainsaw. Happy to have it in the lineup. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.